Hi, welcome back with me again, Rafiq in Bahasaku Inggris channel. In this video, I will talk about daily expressions or ekspresi-ekspresi yang dipakai sehari-hari atau ekspresi-ekspresi percakapan yang dipakai sehari-hari. So, as usual, I please you to click subscribe, like, and drop your comments. Let's get started. Baik teman-teman. Ekspresi pertama kita punya how is it going? How is it going? Ini digunakan untuk menanyakan kabar. Bagaimana kabarmu? Seperti itu. How is it going? How is it going today? How is it going? Nah, kalau mau nanya kabar bisa pakai ini. How is it going? Right. The second, long time no see. Nah, ekspresi ini dipakai ketika bertemu seseorang yang sudah lama tidak bertemu. Long time no see. Hi, long time no see. Where have you been? Nah, long time no see. Where have you been? Sudah lama nggak ketemu. Oke. Yang ketiga, we have what have you been up to? Nah, ekspresi ini digunakan ketika ingin menanyakan kegiatan seseorang, apa yang sudah dia lakukan gitu. It's same as what have you been doing? Nah, they are same. What have you been doing? What have you been up to? Okay. The fourth, we have how do you know? How do you know? Artinya, bagaimana kamu tahu gitu. Nah, digunakan ketika kita tuh belum menyebutkan apa yang kita ingin jelaskan, tapi teman kita tuh udah tahu gitu. Nah, we can say, how do you know? How do you know that? I haven't talked to you. Thank you anyway. Thank you anyway. Ekspresi ini digunakan ketika kita tuh ingin berterima kasih atas bantuan atau atas apa yang mereka telah lakukan, meskipun bantuan itu belum selesai gitu. Maksudnya nggak terlaksana. Nah, we can say this. Thank you anyway. Yeah, thank you anyway. Then we have thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Artinya apa sih? Thank you in advance artinya terima kasih sebelumnya. Thank you in advance. Don't say thank you, thanks before or whatever. No, say thanks in advance. Thanks in advance or thank you in advance. What's going on here? What's going on? Or what's going on here? Ekspresi ini digunakan ketika ingin bertanya, apa sih yang sedang terjadi gitu? Apa yang sedang terjadi di sini? Nah, what's going on here? Apa yang sedang terjadi? Contoh, teman-teman pada ngumpul nih. Teman-teman pada ngumpul, terus lu datang. Terus bilang, what's going on here? Why are you gathering in one place? And it's so crowded. Why? What's going on? Nah, you can say that. What's going on? Okay, move to the next part. Okay, next we have it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, or it seems as it's fine. Everything's fine. It doesn't matter, or it's no problem. No problem. Yeah, same. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, next we have sorry, I wasn't listening. Sorry, I wasn't listening. Like tadi tuh kita sibuk, terus artinya tuh sorry, saya tadi tidak mendengar. Nah, ini dipakai ketika kayak mau minta seseorang tuh untuk repeat sekali lagi atau ngulang sekali lagi apa yang dia bilang. So you can say, sorry, I wasn't listening. Can you repeat once more? Nah, sorry, I wasn't listening. Can you repeat once more? Yep. Next we have, I didn't catch the last word. I didn't catch the last word. Here is another one to say, I didn't catch the last word. Artinya, apa sih kata yang terakhir yang tadi lu bilang? Nah, and then you can say, can you repeat once more? Nah, I didn't catch the last word. Can you repeat once more? Right? Next we have things happens. Ini digunakan cara lain ketika bilang don't be upset to someone. Jadi cara lain untuk bilang jangan bersedih gitu. Jangan galau, jangan bersedih. Yeah, you can say things happens. Example, don't be upset. Things happens. Right? Next we have sorry to bother you. Means maaf mengganggu. Kalian bisa bilang ini ketika kalian ingin meminta tolong atau menanyai seseorang. Or mungkin dia lagi ngerjain sesuatu, mungkin dia lagi megang handphone, mungkin dia lagi nonton. And then you can say, sorry to bother you. Can I ask something to you? Nah, maaf mengganggu. Bisakah saya bertanya sesuatu padamu? You can say this one. Sorry to bother you. We have, I'll be with you in a minute. I'll be with you in a minute. Ini sama kayak wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a second, wait a minute, or give me a minute. Kayak tunggu bentar ya, tunggu bentar ya. Nah, kayak gitu. I'll be with you in a minute. So you can say this one perhaps when you are busy or you are doing something, and then you can say I'll be with you in a minute. Wait a minute. Nah, sama. Next we have you were saying. Nah, you were saying same. Kayak tadi kamu bilang apa ya? Nah, tadi kamu bilang apa ya? You can say you were saying. Yeah, there is a question mark in the last. You were saying. Nah, you can say this one. You were saying. Okay, next. Okay, next we have lucky you. Lucky you. This word can be used for when you want to congratulate someone. Kayak selamat. Nah, bisa pakai ini. Lucky you. Lucky you. Alright. Next we have I freaked out. I freaked out. This word digunakan ketika kayak ngungkapin kayak kalian tuh bener-bener marah banget itu. Marah banget. You can say I freak out. I'm freaking out. Nah, I freak out. Then we have you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Nah, digunakan ketika kalian tuh kayak mustahil gitu, kayak nggak percaya. Nah, contohnya your friend surprise you. When your friend surprises you, and then you say you've got to be kidding me. Mustahil, mana mungkin gitu, kayak wow, that's oh my god gitu, kayak wow, surprised. Alright, next we have cheer up. Digunakan untuk meminta seorang selalu tersenyum, bahagia. Nah, you can say cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, my baby girl. Cheer up. So you can say for to smile someone, untuk menyenangkan, untuk bilang ke dia bahwa smile gitu, bahagia terus lah. Nah, you can say cheer up. Next we have keep up the good work. Dengan kata lain bisa dibilang kayak lanjutin kerjamu, lanjutin kerjamu yang bagus itu. Atau you can say keep up the good work, you are doing great. Nah, kamu sudah di jalan yang tepat gitu. Keep up the good work. You can say this one, keep up the good work. Next we have that's lit. That's lit, you know, that's lit. Artinya itu kayak that's amazing. Wow gitu, kayak wow, that's amazing. That's lit. That's lit. Nah, you can say that's lit. Next we have not a bit. Not a bit. Not a bit. Example, when your friend says to you that you look happy. You look happy. Tapi kenyataannya enggak gitu. Ya kelihatannya happy tapi sebenarnya enggak. You can say not a bit. Not a bit. I'm not happy. Nah, I'm not happy. You look happy. Your friend says it. You want to say I'm not happy. You can say not a bit. Not a bit. Alright. Next we have I'll text you. Nah, this is very common. We all know about this. I'll text you. Nanti kuhubungi lagi. Or I'll text you later. Aku akan menghubungimu nanti. I'll text you later. Ya digunakan ketika bilang itu, I'll text you later. When you ask someone's number and then you say, I'll text you later. Alright. Okay. That's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So, keep up the good work. See you in the next video. And if you have a question, just drop it on our comment sections below. And bye-bye.